guys? So we're going to be doing a self-care with Arbria Creations. If you have not seen my videos before, I did do a video using some of her products. Definitely go take a second to scroll up my timeline to check out my other video with her. And so now this is going to be all about your face. So first up we have the facial cleanser, which is the step 1. This is what that looks like. Okay, all right, now some of the ingredients in this is our Castile soap, aloe vera juice, vitamin E oil, really good for you. So that's the first step. The second step is going to be the rejuvenating lavender face mask. So it's just the mixture that you then go ahead and add water to, and then you apply it to your face, leave it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you rinse it off or wipe it off, and then you go ahead and follow it up with the last step, which is the rejuvenating serum, which is what this looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna show you guys how I do everything, and then I'll come back and talk some more.